How to use Cal AI properly to track your calorie. The first things first is just simply get or download Cal AI to Google Play Store or wherever you would like to download this application to. Now, once you've downloaded it, just simply create an account using your accurate information. So Cal AI actually has this feature when you're currently on a meal, you can actually scan them. Once you have scanned them, there is a specific amount of calories indicated on your screen depending on the food that you scan. Now, once you have scanned it, next thing to do is just to input your accurate kilogram or your weight on a daily basis. Now, you can also take advantage with their exercise tracking app from the Cal AI application itself. And that's it. That's how you use Cal AI properly to track your calorie.